everyone! Welcome to the first video of 2025. Happy late New Year's, everyone! Can you see my hat? Wait. And to celebrate New Year's, I have an unboxing for you all. I decided to add some stuff in the Red Roof Country home since it's New Year's and my house is nearly empty. Can't celebrate New Year's with an empty home. Before we get into the video, I really want to thank you for all the helpful comments that you guys leave. And I really appreciate that you correct me in such a respectful way. That's the kind of community I want to build in here. I want everyone to feel safe, to ask questions, to comment about the collection or anything. I like the kind of communication you guys having through the comments, and I really appreciate it's one of your comments. So yeah, thank you. Thank you for being kind. Remember to be kind to everybody. Now let's get straight into the video. I'm gonna take this off. Better! So to celebrate New Year's, I bought 3 Sylvanian sets for us to unbox today. One being the Blossom Gardening Set, Flora Rabbit Sister and Brother. Second one being Chocolate Rabbit Father Set and a couch for the house. And last one is a little picnic set, because I have a table and I don't have anything on the table. Now I'm gonna move my camera to another direction so you can see what I'm about to unbox. So yeah, let's go. Let's start with our biggest Sylvanian set for today, and it's the Blossom Gardening Set with Flora Rabbit Sister and Brother. Let's observe the box a little. Look at those cute little pictures. And of course, we have our little Sylvanian story. What I loved about this Sylvanian set is their little outfits. Look how cute they look. Look at that little dress, the brother's outfit. They just look amazing. I hope I'm not talking very loud in your ears right now. I'm sorry if I am. I'm really close to the microphone. I'm trying to be not as loud, but again, I'm sorry. Let's open it. Here we have the baby brother. Look at that little tail. He looks so cute. Look at that little flower. It's just lovely. Let's take out the little sister as well. Again, I love how easy it is to take them out. Look at that little sister. Look at her dress. It kind of gives Alice in Wonderland vibes. What do you guys think? Now let's take out the extra accessories. I always say how easy it is to take the Sylvanians out, but it's not the same about the accessories on the box. You have to be a surgeon to be able to remove these. I'm just cutting it off. There's no other easy way to do it, I'm sorry. And they're free. The little gardening set. And some flowers in a pot. So yeah, I'm gonna be really careful with these. We have these 2 little flowers. We have this little grass. Cute little basket. Some gardening tools. And here I have the second package. Oh, we have to be careful. So since it was kind of hard to show individually, this is everything that was inside of both little packages. As you can see, the flower stems are not connected to the flower, so we gotta do it now. So I'm just gonna connect everything real quick. Here's another flower. Looking cute. And here's our little flower pot. Now everything is complete. Look at this little watering can. I believe these go here onto the grass. And I believe you can switch them with the ones that are wearing right now on their heads. So I think that's really pretty and helpful. So here's everything that was inside the Blossom gardening set. Let's put them on the side for now. And let's move into our next Sylvanian set. Chocolate Rabbit Feather set. Again, let's give it a box observation. Cute little house pictures. Ooh, a little Sylvanian story that was on the Red Roof Country Home as well. Do you guys remember? And again, some other house pictures, furniture references. Also, please excuse my hands. I know they look a little weird. I've been cooking, accidentally burned myself a little. I'm not very good at cooking, I'm sorry. So yeah, I hope it's not disturbing to you. Let's open the box. Chat. No, yeah, sorry. And here we have the dad and the couch. A little painting picture right there in the back. And a house plant, very useful. I believe this is going to be a little hard to unbox. I see everything is taped together. Is it? Hold on. Oh wait, it's actually not that hard. Hold on, I need to take out this first. Oh my god. We'll figure it out. There we go. There we go. Yeah. Hold on. There we have the houseplant first. And now, oh, it's separated. Cool. Okay, that was easier than I thought. I'm sorry. Here we have the couch. And now let's remove the Sylvanian dad. Oh, I hate this kind of packaging. It's always hard to remove. Okay, just give it a second. Why is it so twisted? Okay, there we go. There we go. Hopefully we just won. And here's the chocolate bunny dad. Sorry if I'm yelling at you. Sorry. And here's the little bunny dad. He's looking so cute. I love his outfit. I love the couch. But do they make a separate, you know, couch and furniture table set? Because I would love to have one. I would like to have the whole set. Here's a closer look of the dad's outfit. His little tail. And yeah, let's put him on a couch. Very cute. Very beautiful. Let's place him in the bag for now. There we go. It looks so good with a gardening set. And now let's move into our next set, which is the one that I love most because I really adore little plates and food miniature sets. I really love it. Here's a box tour. Here's everything you will find inside of the box. No reference pictures. Let's get straight into it. And they're free. These are going to be so hard to show you. Hold on, I'm gonna try my best. Oh, I already see things flying around. I'm gonna have to be very careful with these. Yeah. I believe one just fell into my drink. I That's what I was afraid of. Okay, all clear. Nothing inside of the drink. Safe to drink. Okay, let's do this. All right, let's check if everything is here. I think we do have everything. So here's everything that's inside of this package. That's the only way I can show you without dropping everything on the floor. We have this toaster, some bunny buns. We have some little glasses, plates and everything. So yeah. One thing I love is that you can actually put the slices inside of the toaster. Hold on, focus. Look. And yay, it's ready. Love it. Okay, hold on. One thing I forgot to show you from the father and couch set is this little painting. So beautiful. Look at those flowers. And is that tape? You can tape it? Yeah, I believe it's tape. I believe it is tape. And you can actually place it on the wall on the house. So now here's everything all together, all 3 sets. And all done with the unboxing. Here they are, chilling in the back. Before I end this video, there's one more thing I need to address, because I see it quite often. A lot of you guys want to start collecting Sylvanian families and don't know where to start. My advice for you is to start slow. Sylvanians can be expensive. You don't have to own every Sylvanian family set to enjoy them. As for me, I've been collecting Sylvanian families for 3 years or more, I think, before I even started making videos about them. My collection was not built overnight. My first Sylvanian was a single, I believe it was a single set or a blind bag, I'm not sure. But this is where I started. I started with a blind bag and a single set. That was it. I also do a lot of DIYs. I craft a lot of things, accessories, clothes for my Sylvanians. Because I believe that's the fun of it. Making it your own, how you want it to be. Adding your little details. Same goes for my Squishmallow collection as well. Most of my Squishmallows are actually gifts. From family members, from friends. And if you follow me on Instagram, you know that my brother is #1 Squishmallow supplier. I'm gonna close this video with some Squishmallow favorites. With #1 being the most gigantic Squishmallow I own. It's so big. So big, I can't even fit it on camera, look. Look! It's nearly my size. It's so big. And the latest Sanrio collab. Look, you have to see it. It was the Dream collection, I think. Here we have Hello Kitty, My Melody, and this other My Melody that is actually ice cream, and I really, really love her. As for the channel, I will try to be more active this year. I'll try to upload more videos and more special videos. Feel free to request anything you want to see on this channel. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like as it helps me a lot. Subscribe to this channel for more Sylvanian, Squishmallow, and DIY content. Don't forget to follow me on other social media platforms. Links are down in the description. And as for me, I'm this huge Squishmallow. We'll see you next time. Bye!